Good morning, bird lovers and nature lovers. Today I'm on a birding session, and this morning the quest for the day is to listen to bird songs and identify them, and also see how much biodiversity is around us and the bird life that is around us. Bird watching is not just spotting of birds, it's connecting with nature and also learning and understanding the importance of conservation. So today I'll be looking around, keeping my eyes open and my ears open so that I can see and spot and listen to various birds that are in our surrounding. Talking of keeping my eyes open, right now I've just spotted Western Cattle Egret and 4 Hadada Ibises in the same area, and they are all searching for frogs and little reptiles or insects or frogs in this meshy swamp so that they can eat them. So allow me to show you them so that we can continue with the day. So I'll try to zoom in and try to get a closer look. Oh my God, look at them. And they are all big. Those are Hadada Ibises. They are on their breeding stage. So we have the Western Cattle Egret there. Yeah, 2 Hadada Ibises. We got 2 more. Where are they? Where they are? There they are. Wow. Hidden just there. Look at that. Hadada Ibises. It's massive. So they tend to love such areas because here they can eat frogs and those insects that tend to like such areas. So already we have 2 bird species spotted. Looking for more. Keep up.